Hey everyone, for today's video, we're going to fix the low water flow issue that I'm having with my sink. So my sink right now, when I put it into the cold water, you can see you have a really nice flow. But if I put it on the hot water, the flow just become really slow. So if you have an issue like this, the problem is mostly on the water lines. Since my problem is only on one side, I know that the problem is on the hot side. Okay, so since I know that my problem is on the hot water line, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this thing off. And then I'm gonna have to remove this part right here. So my problem is my faucet is actually a one piece. So this thing is actually connected to the faucet. So I won't be able to remove the other end from the faucet. Okay, so if you have that option, it's always good to remove this whole piece and check for any blockage. But since I don't have that, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove this thing, and hopefully I can be able to clear it up. If not, hopefully this part right here can also be cleared. So let me go ahead and do that. Basically what I'm gonna need is my thing right here to catch any water drips. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this thing, and the water's gonna start dripping once it's loose, and I can use my one hand to do it. And since I'm here, let me go remove this too, and let me see if I can find any blockage on this side as well. This is the one that goes into my dishwasher. And let me go remove this as well. Oh, look at this thing. I'm not sure if you could see this. There's actually a blockage right here. That's right over here. So I guess I found my problem. It looks like this is a screw head that is actually blocking this area right here. So I guess I found my issue, and I'm not sure where this thing comes from, but now we're gonna have to put this thing back and just make sure we don't have any leak. So now let me just tighten this thing up. Next is I'm gonna return this thing. And then let me go return this side right here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this thing off. And then I'll slowly turn it on to make sure there's no leak. Okay, I guess we have no leak. And now let's go ahead and go back to the faucet and see if it fixes my issue. Okay, so let's turn it on. This is the hot water, and this is the cold water. So the water pressure is now the same for both hot and cold. I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.